Now I want to look at example B. Under exponential equations as well. So the question is saying, by using the substitution y is equals to 2 to the power x, comma, find the value of x such that (3) bracket 2 to the power x plus 1 as your power is equal to 5 bracket 2 to the power x plus 8. Right. Having this type of question, your first step is to break down your indices into their respective. So you say 3 bracket, say 2 to the power x plus 1, break down into 2 to the power x multiplied by 2 to the power 1, using first law of indices, which equals to 5 bracket 2 to the power x plus 8. But as per question's perspective, we are given by using the substitution y equals 2 to the power x. So we are going to substitute wherever we get to the power x, we are going to put y. So it becomes 3 bracket y times 2 is equals to 5 bracket 2 to the power. Okay, I'm sorry. I said for any 2 to the power x we are putting y, then plus 8. Then now the equation is now having the same value of y. So if you say 3 times 2y, you get your 6y is equals to 5y plus 8. We collect like terms. Then 5y goes there, it becomes 6y minus 5y is equals to 8. So your y becomes 8. But the question says, find the value of x, not the value of y. So we go back to our substitution where we say, since y is equals to 2 to the power x, so for y you substitute 8, the value that we get, so that's 8 equals to 2 to the power x. The same theorem occurs where we have to, the base should be equal to each other, that we equate the powers. So for 8, it's as good as 2 to the power 3, 2 times 2 times 2, which equals to 2 to the power x. Look, our bases are now equal to each other. So 3 is equals to x. Therefore, our x is equals to 3. That's the value of what? That's the value of x. Right? Now we want to move on to the next question, which is C. And the question says, by substitution of y equals 2 to the power x, find the value of x such that 9 to the power x minus 10 bracket 2 to the power x plus 1 plus 81 equals to 0. Then we are now breaking 9 into bases of 3. So it's 3 to the power 2x, that is equivalent to 9 to the power x minus 10 bracket, then 3 to the power x plus 1, which is law number 1 of indices, which is 3 to the power x times 3 to the power 1 plus 81 equals to 0. Now, we now substitute our substitution. So it's y squared minus 10 bracket y times 3 plus 81 is equals to 0. Now we simplify y squared minus 30y plus 81 is equals to 0. Then we factorize this quadratic equation. As you can see, the highest power is squared. So we factorize this as a quadratic equation. What are our factors? It's y squared minus 27y minus 3y plus 81 is equivalent to what? To 0. Now we factorize y bracket y minus 27 minus 3 bracket y minus 27 is equals to 0. As you can see, the brackets are equal to each other. So you just simply equate y minus 27 bracket y minus 3 is equals to 0. So your y becomes 27 or 3. But the question says find the value of x, not the value of what? The value of y. So go back to our substitution. We now know that y equals to 3 to the power x. Our value of y, we get 27. So your 27 is equals to 3 to the power x. Then 27 and 3 to the power 3 is equals to 3 to the power g to the power x. Then I'll finish it here. So your x becomes what? Becomes 3 because your bases are now equal to each other. Then we also have the value of y as 3 again. Then we simply say y equals to 3 to the power x. So we say 3 equals to 3 to the power x. So 3 is as good as 3 to the power 1. So I'll put a 1 here. So your x becomes what? Becomes 1. So you have two solutions here. X equals to 3 and x equals to 1. So let me further break down the question. We have 9 to the power x. We break it down into 3 to the power 2x minus 10 bracket. We break down 3 to the power x plus 1 and we get 3 to the power x times 3 to the power 1, then plus 81. We substitute the value of y that we are given, that y equals to 3 to the power x. So y squared minus 10, 3 times y, this one, we get to 30y plus 81 equals what? Equals to 0. Then this is a quadratic equation. The next step is to factorize it by simply finding the factors of what? Of the middle term, which is y squared minus 27 minus 3y plus 81 equals what? 0. Then we factorize the 2. We get factor out y here, get y minus 27. Then for minus 3 plus 81, factor out minus 3, we remain with y minus 27. Then equals what? Equals to 0. So your brackets are same, it becomes y minus 27, bracket y minus 3 equals what? Equals to 0. Then your final solution becomes y equals 27 or what? Or 3. Go back to a substitution. Our substitution is y equals 3 to the power x. So we say 3 to the power x. Put our 27 equal to 3 to the power x. We make sure our bases are equal to each other. So 3 to the power 3 is as good as 27 equal to 3 to the power x. So your bases are equal, your x becomes what? Becomes 3. Same applies for 3. We also have another value of y as 3. We say 3 equals to 3 to the power x. Then x becomes what? Becomes 1.